Today we are going to learn how to change the permissions on a Google Doc so that when you turn it in to me, I can view it. I don't have to request access to it. So I'm currently in my Drive and I have opened up a new Google Doc. I'm going to name it with my last name and my first name and whatever the title of that document is. Maybe it's current event 9, okay? So down here, today's current event is, all right, after I've typed everything and I've paid close attention to sentence structure and grammar, I'm going to share it. So if I go right here, here's where we get into trouble. You'll notice my email address is different from yours. So I have sdavis at campbell.k12.va.us. Yours is campbellstudent.com. Because these are two different emails, we don't recognize each other. So if we did recognize each other, we could get this link that you get, but you'll notice that it's restricted, and it's restricted to people with the Campbell County address, Campbell County Schools. When you do that, what you're doing is you're saying to Google that anyone with the last part of your email can view it. Well, like I said earlier, the part of my email is campbell.k12.va.us. At the end of yours, it's campbellstudent.com. So we're not communicating. This link is not going to work for me. I'm going to have to request access from you. So instead, what we need you to do is drop this down to anyone with the link. Once you've done that, you can copy the link, and then that link can be uploaded, and then I should be able to see whatever your document is. So that's all it takes. You have to just change the permissions. Let me show you one more time how to do that. You go to share. You want to make sure, if you're grabbing the link right here, that you change it to anyone on the internet with this link can view. It is going to automatically either say restricted or Campbell County Schools. You do not want either one of those. You want anyone with the link can view this. Copy the link and use that link when you go to turn in your assignment. Okay, there you go. Thank you.